let's enjoy this super yum tuna arroz caldo rice soup with lemon tea and natural dessert. You're gonna love this and more delicious food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, in this divine cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and tutorials. That's me, Juanita, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, who wrote more than 15 books. You'll find at Amazon and all worldwide stores. Come on and eat. We're going to enjoy this all together. Rice soup, tuna arroz caldo with turmeric and vegetables. That's the yellow tuna right there. Come on and eat. This is so good. So very good. Great tasting ever. Tuna rice soup, arroz caldo. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Let's enjoy this all together. Yum. With lemon tea. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. Let's enjoy. Happy cooking. Yum. So good. Enjoy.